Bro, check this shit out. Nah, like, this snow is fucking nuts, dude. Swear to God. We were driving over by Rite Aid in Sturgis as soon as we went through the light, bro. As soon as we went through that light, look at Bryce. Getting blizzard. Blizzard. Oh my God. Look at the seats. Instant blizzard, dude. Like, what is up with this snow? It's fucking nuts. It's literally a blizzard right now. It was just clear skies. Like, almost instantaneously, now it's a blizzard. Like, what the hell? I don't know if you can see the snow very well, but dude, it's crazy. I'm gonna roll down my window. God damn, look. Instant fucking blizzard everywhere. Complete whiteout. Oh my God, Bryce, we're fucking covered.